whether an atom is going to form a cation or an anion. Cation and anion are terms used to describe atoms that are positive or negatively charged. If you can't remember, sometimes if you write out the words, it'll give you a hint whether it'll be a positive or negative thing. I have a blank periodic table here because atoms will gain or lose electrons based on the shortest path to filling a shell of electrons. So this shell of electrons here for phosphorus, let's find the block on our periodic table that represents phosphorus, and let's fill it up with electrons. Up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. So phosphorus's valence shell, or outermost shell, it has a choice. It has 5 electrons, and it could fill up this shell by gaining 3, or it could lose these 5 and have a filled layer below. What do you think it's going to do? It's going to be much easier for it to gain 3 electrons. And anything that gains 3 electrons is going to have a -3 charge. Magnesium. So magnesium this is our electron shells filled up for magnesium. It has dose electrons in its valence shell. And by looking at the periodic table here, magnesium has a choice of either losing dose or trying to steal 6 from somewhere. The shortest path to perfection is magnesium is going to lose 2 electrons. And anything that loses electrons becomes positively charged. So specifically, it loses the valence electrons. Let's finally do an example with oxygen. Here is our electron configuration filling for oxygen. It has 8 electrons total, 6 electrons in its valence shell. So oxygen can lose 6 electrons or gain 2 electrons. The shortest path is gaining 2 electrons. And just like phosphorus, and just like anything else, if it gains electrons, it must become negatively charged or an anion. Thank you.